Good morning, class!
Today we are going to learn about colors.
Look at this red card. Can you say the color with me?
Red!
This is an apple. What color is it?
Red!
This is a ball. What color is it?
Blue!
Catch the ball and tell me its color.
Blue!
This is the sun. What color is it?
Yellow!
If we mix red and yellow, what color do we get?
Orange!
Yes. What color is it? Orange.
Orange!
Excellent. This leaf is green. Say it with me.
Green!
This is a carrot. What color is it?
Orange!
Let's sort the blocks by color. What color is this?
Red! Red!
What color is this?
Purple!
Purple.
Match the colors to the correct card.
Done!
Use all your favorite colors.
Excellent work, everyone! You used beautiful colors! Great job cleaning up, class!
Thank you!
Goodbye, class. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, teacher!